Hello, Asta here and welcome back to my channel. So today I just want to film a very quick smoky eye makeup tutorial using maybe 2 or 3 eyeshadows, so it's super easy to achieve. Everyone can do it, and today I'll be using my MAC eyeshadows, but you can find alternatives in many different palettes that you may have, or just find something that really kind of is similar and use whatever you have. But if you have MAC or if you love MAC makeup, make sure to pick these colors up because they are gorgeous for this easy smoky eye look that I'm about to show you. So without further ado, let's just jump straight into this tutorial. As always, I'm starting with MAC Painterly Paint Pot and applying that all over the lids, and then taking my fluffy brush and translucent powder and just setting the first half of my lid from the crease upwards towards the brow bone. Then I'm taking my Urban Decay Glide On Eye Pencil in color Demolition and applying that along the lash line and a little bit onto my eyelid. And I'm not precise or neat at all because I'm taking a flat brush. I'm just diffusing this pencil up until my crease and then reapplying if needed for more intensity, and repeating the same step on the other eye as well. This step will give me a darker base for my eyeshadows, which I'm gonna apply next, and it will make my smoky eye color more intense. So next I'm taking my MAC eyeshadow Espresso and a flat fluffy brush MAC 217 and just applying this color all over the lid where I placed my eye pencil, and I'm just stopping at the crease as well. To blend everything out, I'm taking another MAC eyeshadow that's called Cork and a big fluffy brush from MAC 227 and just diffusing this color only into my crease, and I'm extending it out towards my brow bone a little bit just to create a little cat eye effect. I'm taking my Urban Decay eye pencil again and just smudging that along the lash line just to give more of a definition, and diffusing the edges or making it more smudgy using the pencil brush from Sigma. So I'm literally just trying to smudge it out and make it more seamless and blend into the eyeshadows. Then I'm taking color Espresso again and Morphe M507 brush and just setting the pencil that I placed along the lash line with this eyeshadow. Next, I'm lining my top lash line with Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner, and I'm not doing a wing today. I just want to keep it nice and neat and just to enhance the top lash line. Once the liner is done, I'm just applying loads of mascara and my favorite lashes, and then we'll be moving on doing the bottom of the eye. For the bottom of the eyes, I'm taking my Urban Decay pencil once again and applying it into my waterline. Then I'm taking a pencil brush I've used before and just smudging this eye pencil out and making sure it's all nice and smoky. Going back to the color from MAC called Cork and M507 from Morphe, just diffusing and setting this pencil in place. Then I'm taking Espresso color again and a little smudger brush and just applying that just to give more smokiness and more definition to the lower lash line. After I'm finished, I'm taking MAC color called Chocolate and a little angled brush and just really applying that just underneath the lash line, the lower lash line. And again going with loads of mascara for bottom lashes, and then I'm just taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlighter and highlighting the inner parts of my eyes. And moving on doing my lips. So for lips, I'm first lining them with MAC lip pencil called Red, and then I'm just filling the whole lip with this color as well, and taking my favorite, or one of the favorite lipsticks from Charlotte Tilbury called Lost Cherry, just applying that all over the lip pencil that I placed, and here is the finished look. I hope you liked this easy makeup tutorial, and if you did, make sure to press that like button, and I'll see you all next week.